To create specialized research folders in NotebookLM, you don't actually use traditional folders. Instead, NotebookLM organizes everything through individual notebooks, and each notebook works like its own dedicated research workspace. To begin, open NotebookLM and sign in using your Google account. Once you are on the home screen, click on Create New Notebook. This is the equivalent of creating a new research folder, because each notebook is designed to hold one focused topic. After creating your notebook, give it a clear and specific name based on your research area. For example, you might name it based on a thesis topic, a scientific concept, or a project theme. This helps you easily identify and separate different research areas. Next, open your new notebook and start adding sources. NotebookLM allows you to upload PDFs, Google Docs, website links, and even pasted text. These sources form the knowledge base of your research notebook. Instead of mixing multiple topics into one space, each notebook should focus on a single research theme. If you have different subjects or subtopics, simply create additional notebooks. This structure effectively replaces the need for traditional folders. Once your sources are added, you can use the built-in chat system to interact with your materials. You can ask it to summarize information, extract key points, or generate structured notes based on your sources. As your research expands, you can rename notebooks or duplicate them to explore different directions without losing your original structure. This makes it easier to manage complex research projects in an organized way. And that's how you create specialized research folders in NotebookLM. Create separate notebooks for each topic, add your sources, and use them as focused research spaces instead of traditional folders.